Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro for the elderly senior person. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Inside you can find accessibility features and there's a senior mode right here that you can enable and customize. Now let me show you a few of the options, and the first one is display magnification, and you can change between different normal, large, extra large, huge, huge 2, huge 3 or huge 4. So adjust it to the liking of a person, and as you can see the display zooms in each time we increase it. Next one is security, and if you enable it, then on App Gallery there will be only apps visible that are verified by App Gallery. In app management you'll be able to add and customize which apps are available on this device. In touch duration you'll be able to customize how long does it take to press anything on the screen, so there won't be any mismatch opens when somebody uses this phone. Now let's go back, and the next feature is in accessibility right here, and you can enable magnification. So when it's enabled you can double tap anywhere to zoom in for the screen or to read something much easier. So let me read the help and feedback for you. Zoom in or out by tapping the screen 3 times in a row, like this. While zoomed in you can scroll, swipe 2 or more fingers across the screen, adjust zoom level, pinch with 2 or more fingers. You can also magnify what's under your finger by tapping the screen 3 times and holding down your finger onto the last tap. Note, when this feature is on, the response time in phone, calculator and other apps may be delayed. And there's also one last option, and here it should be in the system and updates, and it's called simple mode. If you enable it, entire interface will change. As you can see, our phone becomes much more zoomed in and all of the apps look like this. You can access it, quick settings also like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.